All right, mate. Welcome to the group. Now you're looking about DEXE, DEXE. I actually still hold a little bit of this. I woke up a couple hours ago and I was hoping that we've seen some sort of upward momentum. Um, at this point, it looks like the weekly is going to be stagnant. It looks like we're going to get an inside bar. There's 2 days left. I don't think it's the end of the world. Um, Of course, it would have been nice to see this break up. The problem here, there's 9 days left in this 2 week candle. We ideally we don't really want to see this flipping red, and we're just kind of sitting there right now on it. But there's 9 days left, so I mean, at this point, the ideal situation would be to open up on a new week and do something like this. It's not going to do it this week because of the rejection. That was a bad rejection we got 2 days ago. This, it pumped up, and I was hoping this would continue. Uh, from here, and we just got rejected. So yeah, it was unfortunate. I still hold some of it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. If you're uncomfortable with your position, maybe it's best to just cut 50% of it, and then emotionally it'll be better. And obviously it'll be taking a small loss, I think, at this stage. But if you do just cut 50% of it, you're protecting yourself if it goes lower, and if it does break out higher, then you should make back any small loss, and you should make money if it does break up. But you're also protected a little bit extra from the downside, and that's the way I kind of manage things. If I see strength coming back in, I can always add back my 50% that I cut. So at this point, I'm still holding. It's not good. I don't like it. This I was hoping that we could pop up and break out of this and move on, but it just didn't happen. Too many sellers here in these wicks, and this is actually not very good. I don't like this setup as much anymore, if I'm brutally honest about it. These are 3 day candles, and we have 10 minutes left, and there's 4 wicks to the upside. And now I am concerned and worried that we are going to get a red 3 day candle to the downside like this. So I am concerned about that. I don't like this. So it may be good to protect yourself. It's always good to protect yourself, I should say, but be prepared that all these wicks might actually cause more downside, is what I'm trying to say. I still hold mine. If I see things getting overly weak or anything, I will end up cutting it. But at this point, I still hold.